Hello, everyone. I just wanted to go over a few things. So, slide 23, you're going to need to post that on your autobiography, and there's two different images. Slide one, on the left side, that image one, you're going to put your blank drawing of your color wheel. And I want you to make sure you put the one, I asked everybody to write their name on it. So you need to have your name posted on that. That way I know you're not plagiarizing. And then the second aspect is the right side. That one is your color wheel fully colored in. I'm giving you class time today to finish this up and get it nice and ready for slide 23. I am not grading slide 23 today. I want to make that crystal clear to you. I'm going to give you some time this week to, make that slide nice. We're going to be taking notes today. You're going to need a black pen, you're going to need color pencils, and you're also going to need that bowl later and pencil sharpener, of course. You can use a pencil for the notes, and I'm going to draw the step by step with you in just a second, but I wanted you to be aware that it's also on the agenda. So if you're having struggles seeing my work or you just like it better just looking at it and copying it from there, that's fine with me too. Okay? So I'm going to go ahead and get started. For some reason, it's small. Okay. And I'm going to get a blank piece of paper. At the top, I want you to put your name in the upper right-hand corner. Everything I do, you're going to need to do. This is Brown. And you're going to put period. So this is period 4. So I'm going to write period 4. I'm doing mine in a black pen. If you want to do yours in a black pen or a pencil, I don't care. I'm also going to need my microphone because my voice is kind of hurting. This is a large classroom, and when I have to raise my voice, it's a little harder for me, and that's why my throat gets hoarse. Gotta wet the whistle. Okay, so these notes are about color theory. Color theory. And we're going to watch a video about this. So I kind of emphasized it. You could do a cloud, you could do whatever you'd like. Okay. At the top of my paper. So the first word we're going to learn is color. Color is any hue. I'm going to underline hue. Hue is another word for color. So color is any hue on the color wheel. Okay? So that's really important. Now the next vocabulary word, I'm going to underline color as well, because these are our vocabulary words. This is primary colors. Primary. Primary colors. And I'm going to make a circle here, here, and here. Now, under each of these circles, I'm going to write the colors: red, blue, and yellow. Second semester, we always go over the colors for theory. First semester is always about black and white scale and how to draw. Okay. I don't want to go too fast, so by all means, we're going to go ahead and put a thumbs up so I have an idea of how we're doing. So please give me a thumbs up when you're ready. So far, 10 of you are done, and there's 35 of you. I don't know why there's a line right here. How do I clear that? 13 of you. Okay. 14 of you. What's going on with the other 20? There we go. Now I'm going to go ahead and start the next vocabulary word. Oh, and I wanna write an underline under primary colors. I'm gonna put a little colon here. Now we're going to write secondary colors. Somebody's microphone's on. I'll go ahead and mute you all. Okay, secondary colors. These are important vocabulary words, so I'm gonna underline them. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna put a circle plus another circle equals another circle. And we're gonna label these. So this is gonna be red plus blue equals violet. Okay. Then I'm going to do another circle here, plus another circle equals another circle. So this is all about mixing colors. Yellow plus blue equals green. And then I'm going to do another circle plus another circle equals another circle. So when you add yellow plus red, this will equal orange if we were mixing these paints. Now, all three of these are secondary colors. This is very important. We will be having a test on this. I'm going to go ahead and clear feedback. And when you are done, please just give me a little yes, so I know that we're ready to move on to the next part of the notes, okay? Now, several of you have probably heard about the primary and the secondary colors, but I have to treat this as if everybody's doing this for the first time. We are often taught about these colors and mixing in elementary school. And now we're going to take it to a whole nother level in just a few minutes. While we're waiting, let's go ahead and start coloring a little bit, and then we'll take some more notes. So the things that are easy, like red, I'm going to just do a circle, round and round, and go ahead and color in red. Not only are we visually writing the notes, but we are also visually creating the answers here. Blue, I'm going to go around in a circle. I'm going to go ahead and color in. If you're live in the classroom, I also have color pencils out for you to use. And then yellow. So those are the primary colors. I consider these the most important colors of the rainbow. Without these colors, you can't make new colors. For some reason, my red looks a little orangey, so I'm using a different red to make it more red. Usually I would give you guys a worksheet, but it's not hard to create our own worksheet. And then with the secondary colors, I'm going to go ahead and start coloring this in. Red plus blue. Makes violet. Violet is another word for purple. Make sure your color pencil says violet or purple on it. So when you mix these two colors together, it makes violet. That's why the primaries are so important. You can make other colors with them. I'm going to move on. Yellow. Plus blue. We'll make green. Yellow plus red will make orange. So it's almost like we're making a recipe. You mix this with this, it makes this. I'm going to clear the participation and just give me a yes so I know when you're done. So far, 6 people out of 35 are finished. "13 out of 35. 15. 20 more students. Okay, so I think that's enough for one day. You can go ahead and post your slide 23. I am not collecting it yet. I'm just gonna finish the second half of this tomorrow with you all. I don't want to make it too hard. It seems like there's still 15 people that need to finish. We will be coloring the rest of this tomorrow and labeling the rest of this tomorrow. This will be slide 24. I'm gonna take a screenshot of what we did today and post that on the color wheel. Bell's gonna ring in just a few minutes anyways. I don't want to rush. Why can't I get my agenda up? Uh-oh. Mouse isn't working. Uh-oh. How do I stop this? There we go. So I'll put this on the agenda as well, so you see everything. I'm gonna go ahead and stop the video.